Thanks for staying with us. The 16 days of activism against gender-based violence is coordinated each year by individuals and organizations around the world to call for prevention and elimination of violence against women and girls. In Kenya, rights organizations have been leading the call for better policies and laws to guard against the vice. One such organization is CARE International, which raises awareness and advocacy of the rights and voices of women and girls. NTV's Gertrude Burgay reports.
In the wake of the COVID-19 pandemic, emerging data and reports from the United Nations Women indicated that while all forms of violence may have shot up, violence against women and girls have alarmingly increased. 1 in 3 women worldwide experience physical and sexual violence, mostly by an intimate partner, according to a report by the World Health Organization on the impact of the pandemic.
Very early on, we conducted rapid gender analysis in a lot of countries around the world and continue to update them, because then it was not easy to reach communities, but we developed tools and approaches to reach women, to collect data from them in a manner that was secure and safe, given that there was a lot of cases of gender-based violence.
CARE International, a non-governmental organization advocating for the rights and voices of women and girls, has been at the forefront in championing for the mitigative policies. These deliberations have been made through partnerships with women rights organizations as well as women movements, including the Women's Voices and Leadership WVL, a flagship program to the NGO. Yasmin Mohammed, a 23-year-old feminist from Kibra and the founder of the superb community-based organization, is a beneficiary of the program.
Them giving us platform enable us to have a safe space that our women and girls usually come in the space and do different things, as well as they gave us institutional capacity strengthening, where our members go to build their capacities on different fields, as well as funding so that we can do a programmatic work. We started a movement called Free My Body. Free My Body is a movement that through support again from CARE for the 16 days of activism, we mobilized young feminists, women and girls from different counties. It's a national campaign that is geared towards prevention, response and elimination of all forms of violence against women and girls.
COVID-19 related response projects formed under CARE included a small education project which targets the adolescent girls.
When it comes to the Start Small project, we are actually using the gender marker, which is a tool that we use to actually ensure that we realign or align our programs to have the gender or to follow the gender equality framework. We're also looking at issues of GBV that the children are also going through within their community, not only within their community but also even within the school. And so when it's happening within the school, it's actually school-related gender-based violence.
CARE has been able to support women from various regions develop business ideas and plans come to life. This was through the Binance project funded by Blockchain Foundation, an American-based IT company, which was part of the corporate social responsibility to offer support to village women in group savings and loan associations. Part of the deliberations by CARE in the humanitarian context in the implementation of the water sanitation and hygiene, often known as WASH. In making WASH gender responsive, CARE targets women and girls from socially excluded groups and isolated rural settlements, including refugees.
We have tried to empower, to engender them, so that they address gender issues. For example, a train, how is it sensitive in terms of meeting the needs of maybe women and girls, in terms of their privacy, access, protection against any harassment or something like that. Even the water outlets, the tap stands where they go for fetching of water.
CARE International targets to reach 50 million people of either gender across the globe to push the gender rights agenda. Gertrude Burgay, NTV.